How to fix Instagram DM glitch. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now first thing first, in order to fix this, you have to make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, leave that as it is. Head over to your settings. Scroll below and open apps. Here also you have to search for Instagram. So type in Instagram, tap on enter. And likewise, tap onto your app. Here, tap Storage and clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead and tap on Clear Data and delete the data. Once done, come back, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Now for the last step, if it's still not working, then you have to uninstall Instagram, reinstall again, and this shall fix the problem.